Greetings guys, welcome to Network Mass. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any version of Windows that you're using, and a new version of the Windows is out, and your system is prompting you to update your system because the current version of Windows is out, and then you're using your update option to update the new version of the Windows on your PC, but after downloading, installation is failing. You try every possible means but to no avail. It's just wasting your time and your data. And you do not also want to use another formula whereby you lose every data on your PC or your applications and settings, everything. You want to update the new version of the Windows that is out on your PC without losing any of your files, any of your data, any of your applications. Then this video is here to help you do that. In this video, I'm not going to use bootable pen drive to do that, but we're going to bypass that. We are going to use command prompt, just command prompt, to install the new version of the Windows on your PC, and your PC will be up to date and you will not lose any file, any settings, any applications. So in your browser, what you're going to do in your browser, you're going to type the new version. Just type Windows 11 or Windows 10, any Windows that you are interested in or you're using. So in the Microsoft Windows pop-up in the site, you click the Windows 11, scroll down to where you see Windows 11 ISO file 64 device available here. Click the box, choose the multi-edition version and click download now. Choose one. This here is asking for language. So what language do you prefer? What is the language of your PC? Any language that you are using, you choose it from this place. So I am using English, so I'll choose United States and you click confirm. Then you click 64-bit download. I have already downloaded I've tried it before showing you, so that you can be certain of the result that you get. You will not lose any of your data. So I've already downloaded it. As you can see, here is my file, the one that I've downloaded. Yeah, so let me lower this one because I've downloaded it, but you download it, the ISO file. When you download it, there is 5.4 gigabyte. So now what we are going to do here is going to download. You see the file here, this is the file. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the file and then you click on mount. When you click on mount, what you're going to do is you're going to copy the mount. Let me show you. Since I've done it, I'll show you what you're going to copy. So when you click on mount, it's going to bring you all these ones, the configuration processes. So you're going to copy all this. You're going to copy it. You're going to copy this one. Then you go to where I went. You click on the local DC. Then at the bottom, right click at the bottom. Then you create new folder. New folder here. Name it Windows 11. When you name it Windows 11, then so I've done it. So this is Windows 11 that I did. This is it, as you can see. Okay, so when you are done with this, so let's lower this one and then you go to CMD. When you click CMD, you're going to see command prompt. Right click command prompt. I did not type it, what is this? Yeah. Right click command prompt. Yeah, so inside command prompt, so now you're going to copy the file the file location, right? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to copy the file location, copy the location of the file where you copied the mounted ISO file. All right, yeah, at this place. Let me show you the one that you have just copied to this place. So you copy it, you go to its folder, here, then you copy the file location where you install. So you copy it, you paste it in the command prompt. I did not copy. Paste it here. You're going to type backslash type setup dot exe space this sign, enter product space saver. Okay, then you hit enter. Yeah, now the process of installation is going to start very soon, but I will not go further, but I'm just showing you the process. So when I'm leading you to, you will carry on from there and you follow the prompt and the inscription, then you do your thing, because I've done it. So here, let me show you this where it matters also most. So in this Windows, what you're going to do is I want to help make the installation better. So privacy policy, you can check this box, because all this thing will be done later. Then click in here, change how this is, click it. So this is where you're going to, this one you're not going to use the first one, because it's going to waste much time if you choose the first one. So download, update, drivers, optional features, recommended. All this one will be installed later after the installation. So you click not right now. But if you like, you can choose the first one if you have a time for it, because just for you not to waste much time before installation, that's why you choose not right now. But if you have time for it, you can waste much time for it, then you choose the first one to download all these features and drivers in together. All right, and then I will not go further because it will stress me, because I've done it already. So this is just a process. So when you click next, this what I don't want to be here too long, because here it will be checking for update and everything. So in this place, it's checking your PC. Okay, let me wait for it. But though I will cancel it in the process, but you will proceed from there. So let's wait for it. Okay, so here you're going to accept license agreement. All right, so let's say you accept the license. So in this place, this is where you're going to choose the update that you want. As you can see, make it bold. As you can see, so you choose from here. Say you click keep files, settings and apps, and if you don't want it, you can say keep personal files only or nothing. All right, so this is where I can lead you to. So I will advise you to choose the first one, where you will not lose after the installation. You will not lose anything on your PC. Your applications will be there, the settings and the files, everything will be intact. And then you click next. Then the next thing is that it will ask you continue now install. It will take some time for it to happen, to finish everything, and you know how to install how you follow the prompt, then you are done with everything. So by this one, because I'm not going to install it because I've done it, so I'm canceling it. So I'm canceling everything. Yes. Okay, so guys, there is one thing you have to do for me before you leave this platform. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, because I'm here to share valuable information about your machine that you're using. And then so I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also like my video. Thank you.